Welcome to QA Vault. In this video, let's understand what software testing is and why it plays a vital role in building quality software. Software testing is the process of evaluating a software application to ensure it meets requirements and works as expected. In simple terms, software testing is all about verifying that the product does what it should and validating that it meets the user's needs. The main goal of testing is to identify defects at an early stage, saving time, effort, and cost. Testing ensures the final product is reliable, secure, and performs well under real-world conditions. The cost of fixing a defect in production is much higher than fixing it during testing. Testing reduces this risk. A well-tested application improves customer satisfaction and builds trust, which is key to business success. In today's world, security testing ensures sensitive user data is protected and prevents cyberattacks. Imagine a banking app with a bug that transfers wrong amounts. Such issues can lead to financial and reputational loss. Testing prevents such risks. To summarize, software testing is essential to deliver high-quality, secure, and user-friendly software. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned with QA Vault for more testing knowledge.